She got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it.
What's up, ladies? So today I'm teaching you guys how to cut layers in your hair weave, bundles, whatever it may be, at home. So as you can see, I have like craft scissors, but that's just for the purpose of this video. Like, you can get it done with any scissors you have. So basically you just want to take section by section and cut on a diagonal angle. You don't want to snip straight across. Cutting diagonally creates like natural layers. So I just kind of did this for each section all the way around. And the reason why I'm not doing like too many is because this is a closure unit. My closures, I usually wear them in a middle part anyway, so I wanted kind of like longer layers. Now if it were a frontal, I would probably have cut way more layers in there so the hair can fall in different places in different spots. But like I said, it's just a closure, so middle part is probably the only way I'll even wear it. But once I finish, you'll kind of see that the hair kind of looks like an upside down triangle, like starting from the top going down to the bottom of the hair. And that's the look you want to go for. And then after I finish cutting the layers, I just went ahead and curled the hair really quick to kind of show you guys how they turned out and how they'll look if you do them at home yourself. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just keep cutting until I feel like it's pretty good. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Pretty simple, pretty straight to the point, not really much to explain. It's more of a watch and learn type of thing, so I don't want y'all to think I'm just leaving y'all hanging. But yeah, stay tuned for the end result at the end. Love you, and I will see you guys in the next one.